everyone, I'm coming on today to show you how you can make all these nice items here using the Vivure heat press machine, which is so neat because it's automatic. So let me show you how it came and all that good stuff. Okay everyone, I took it out the brown box, so it's still in the foam box. So we're gonna open it up and see how it came. Okay, here it is, how it's packaged. And you get a little pamphlet with the instructions on top. So I'm just gonna take off the plastic. And here's one piece here, I think that's the control. And over here we have the cords that you use to plug it in. So basically that's all that's in the box. So now I'm just gonna take it out. And it's not that heavy. And now we have the cord, which I'm just going to plug in at the side. It looks like a very nice machine. I like how it looks so far. Okay, so now we're all set up. We are going to turn on the machine. So you have to hold down the button to turn on the machine. And it shows you it's in Fahrenheit. It has Celsius and it has Fahrenheit. Okay, I'm going to press it again and it will open up. Okay, you turn it one way to the right, and then you can adjust your temperature setting that you want it to be at. And when you reach a temperature that you want, you just press it. And then you turn it to the left and press how much seconds you want it to go for. So we want it to go for 15 seconds. And we reach that, we press it again. And it's set, and then we just wait for it to heat up. And as you can see here, the temperature is heating up. Okay, so the machine comes with two mats. You have the pressing mat, which is this one, and I guess this one is the foam for support. So you have that one there, and then we have the pressing mat on top. And I like how it has the control panel at the side here, so cute. Okay, we're going to press our first t-shirt. So we're going to roll our lint to help clean off the surface, and then we are going to preheat our t-shirt, take out any extra moisture. And here's the pattern that we'll be using. It's a rhinestone design I got from BB Craft. So we're just going to take it off and lay it onto our t-shirt. And now all we have to do is press the button, and the machine does everything for us. And it opens up back when it's finished. So we're just going to wait a few minutes and peel back our design. Alright, so now we're taking off the carrier sheet. Look at that. Doesn't that look nice? I like how this looks. And for our nest design, again, we're using some more rhinestone patterns, and we're using it on a pillow cover. So I'm going to be placing the Teflon sheet. And then we press the button. No work at all, and wait for our design to press. Okay, so now it's finished, it's opening up. take off the carrier sheet. Doesn't that look nice? I think it looks beautiful. Alright everyone, let's get into the cons I don't like about this machine. I don't like the pads that it comes with. The top one is fine. The pressing pad is fine. The problem I have is the bottom one because it keeps sliding. Can you see that? Because the surface is so nice and sleek, it slides off when your project is on, when you have your project on the machine. So what I would advise to do is use either some two-way tape or even some Velcro tape. So the Velcro is stuck to the bottom of the machine and on here, and then you just put the two pieces together and then it will stay firm and not move around. So that's the only con I have about this machine. Otherwise, I think it's very nice and I love how it performs. I love that all you have to do is just press the button and it closes the machine. And then you can either press the button or touch the top part right here and the machine will open back up. No work at all for you. That is so nice. I love that about this machine. So overall, I find this to be a really nice machine for your everyday crafting needs. And if you're new to crafting or if you're a seasoned crafter, this is really neat and the price is so affordable. I will leave the link below to Vivor's heat press machine. I call it the automatic heat press machine because you just press it open, press it close, which is really neat. No work for you. I'll have all the links below so you can go down and check it out and get one for yourself. So here are the fun items we crafted today with our Vivor heat press machine. 2 t-shirts, a pillowcase, and I did a tote bag also. And all these images, I'll have them listed down below so you can go over and check those out too. Alright everyone, that's all your girls got for you today. So thank you for coming on and seeing my review of the Vivor heat press. And remember to stay blessed from Petal is Blessed, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye everyone.